Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I've been using the Galaxy Z Fold6 for about 48 hours now, and I just want to give you my experiences with the device, give you an update on it, how I'm enjoying it, what some things I wish was different. But before I get into this video, you already know what I'm going to say. Check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I just want to give you an update on my experiences with using the device for the last 48 hours. And some things I like about it, some things that we can't really discuss yet, or some things that are still, working themselves out. If you picked up this device, let me know, if you got it already, what color, how are you liking it? Do you have any gripes about it? Are you going to return it? Y'all let me know. Let's have a friendly discussion in the comments below. I do like, I will answer most of your questions or reply to most of the comments in the comments section pretty much all day long. It does take a lot, but let's have a friendly discussion. Let's talk about some things that I don't like about it, and then we can get into the positive things. They should be able to put this pen in the device somewhere, make it where I don't have to buy a case like this to carry the pen around. Make it for people, make it easier for people to have this pen. I know we're on the 6-fold iteration right now. They should be able to fit. I mean, this pen is not that thick. I mean, I don't know. I don't build a phone, so maybe make it wider, something. Maybe with the Ultra it's supposed to be coming out, it might have the pen in there, but that's the first gripe. Always carrying this pen around. Again, back to, I said it just now, the front screen, it could be a little bit bigger. I'm not gonna lie. It is still a little bit tight to type in here and everything, even on Twitter or X. I don't know why people go on this app anymore. I should get myself off. So it's a little bit harder to type in here still. It's better. I mean, it's 6.3 inches now instead of 6.2 from last year, but the wider display would be great. I'm not griping on it. I'm not saying I'm returning it because of the display. It is a lot more usable than what it was in the past, but we all want a bigger front display. Doesn't have to be the ultra size, but a little bit bigger would be definitely be great. The other thing is, I wish it would just put a bigger battery in it. I'm tired of people complaining about the battery size. So if you put a bigger battery in there some kind of way, you won't hear people complain about it. I'm gonna talk about that as a like also, because I think the battery probably will be good on this phone, but having a bigger battery would make it a lot better too. Then the last thing is just the cameras on here. They seem really good. They seem like an upgrade from the Fold 5 with all the software features on there. Great, but I wish they would give you the premium camera lenses that you get like on the S24 Ultra, but they won't. I wish they would, and maybe they will with the Ultra again, with the Fold Ultra, but we'll see. So those are some of the things I don't like. Also, one thing too, I think these AI features on here, I think a majority of them are gimmicks. I'm not gonna lie. I do like the call assist. I mean, to have the chat assist or the interpreter would be nice if I traveled a lot, or, I mean, I guess even in San Antonio with people speaking Spanish, it would help. But I don't really use it too much. I probably could use it at my job a little bit more, but I can't really have my phone out. The drawing assist, the photo assist, just, I think those are gimmicks. Those gimmicks or those AI features doesn't make me choose the Z Fold6 over any other devices in there. They just don't. Not for me. If you use them, great. Let me know in the comments. Now, one thing too, let's talk about, we talk about displays, we talk about, what I don't like about it. Look how beautiful that display is. The 7.6 inch main display there is beautiful. Also, the panel they have for the front display right here is beautiful. The 6.3 inch panel. Samsung makes some of the best panels out there for your devices. It's just hands down, they make some of the best panels for the Z Fold 5, 6, even for iPhones. They have the best panels out there forever. You can't fight it. The other thing, let's talk about the things I like. The overall feel, the build quality is getting better every single year with Samsung. Look, there's no gap really in between it. Again, the how this phone feels in the hands, the boxiness of it. I mean, it just makes a difference on how it feels. Cannot argue with Samsung with how they went ahead and changed the design a little bit as far as making it boxier. The material they're using, I love how this one is flat. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I know other people got other colors, but this navy is the color for this year. This one wins hands down compared to the other ones. The other ones look good, but this navy, hands down, probably the best color out there. Maybe the white one too, but this navy, hands down, beats the other ones pretty easily. I love what they did with the hinge. Now, I know I think I called it the hinge on here, but the crease is still there. If the crease bothers you, you can buy overseas phones, which probably half the time doesn't work in your area, but right now the hinge is there. I mean, not the hinge, the crease is there. You can see it. The hinge feels better too when you open it and closing it. Just feels like all that is tighter in there. They learn from their mistakes, you know, reduce all the stuff that they need in there just to make it work better. And I mean, look at it, it just looks and feels better. Software, again, the UI on here, the One UI 6.1, it's just, I mean, just smooth. The displays, the 120 hertz refresh rate. You don't see any hiccups, any delays. All right, so the next thing I really want to talk about, and I mentioned in dislike, or I wish it had a bigger battery, but I think the battery life will be good. I'm at 73%. I've been having the phone off at 6:30 in the morning. Now, I haven't used it as much as I would say on a normal day, but I think the battery life will be good, just as good as the S24 Ultra, if not better. But I do wish they had a bigger battery in there because I'm tired of hearing people complain about it. But battery life seems like it will be good. I probably can get it through a day, day and a half if I really wanted to with the battery life. That, again, more time would tell, you know, if that changes. Maybe it's still learning me too. So that could change in a week. So stay tuned. I'll come back in a week and I will let y'all know. The last thing I want to bring up is how easy it is to, and I missed this and how big this phone is. I really missed how easy it is to multitask with this phone. So I have Facebook up. If I want to get into Twitter or X, which I don't recommend going on Twitter for anything right now, but it's so easy to add apps on here, multitask. If I want to add a different app, I just bring up the toolbar down here. I can even add Instagram. Hopefully nothing bad pops up there. Shout out to Heidi from Australia. But you can do so many different apps on here, and it just makes it easy. If you want to save it, you can save it. You can switch things around. So multitasking on here, I mean, people can use this as a mini computer. Making videos on there, editing videos, all can be done with that taskbar down there. I love how they make it kind of hidden now. You can always hide it by pressing the buttons. If you want to save this, you can save it too as some of the apps in there. So multitasking is good. Look at that hinge. So overall, am I enjoying my experiences with it? Yes. Now, the last thing, I already got questions from people. Should you upgrade from the Z Fold 5? And I'm still not going to really answer that question because time will tell that. But to be honest, if you had the Z Fold 5 and you are not a techie, I would say keep your money, save it for another year, maybe get the 7 or even the Ultra when it comes out, if it comes up. You don't really need the upgrade right now if you have the 5. If you have the 4, I would go for it. I forgot how much they're giving to you on the Z Fold 4 as a trade-in. If you can get the trade-in value, go for the 6. I mean, I think that's worth it. As far as the 5, unless you're a techie and you want just the latest and greatest and you want this blue color, it's up to you. I can't tell you how to spend your money. just watch the videos, do your homework. That whole process and whole thought process may change. The more I use this phone, the more I might like it. I might consider an upgrade from the 5. But right now, if I had the 5 and I wasn't a techie, I probably would keep it. But that doesn't take away from the 6 at all either. Y'all also let me know in the comments what other videos you want to see from me on this device. I have a bunch of cases, some screen protectors coming out. But let me know in the comments. Again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForwardsReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.